What's good, everybody on YouTube? You already know it's your boy Samaj, aka Squirt the Q with Snatching Souls. Back again with another video for you. And man, it's early. I ain't gonna lie. The sun hadn't even came up yet. I don't know. It's dark. Put it that way. The sun not up yet. I'm finna go get an oil change, and then man, we gonna either buy some Midnight Navy Georgetown 3s, or we gonna go buy some shoes from somebody collection, or we might do both. Who knows? But we shall see, man. Y'all gonna ride with me today. We gonna get it in, see the sunrise, may see the sunset. We be out so long, copy. But we'll get to it. All right.
Eventually.
Alright, y'all, so I'm at the mall. Check out the fit. My boy, Kicks by CP. Y'all know what time it is, man. Them gang rolls on feet. We finna see what they got. Probably not no threes. I ain't on no raffles or nothing like that, but we gonna see. We gonna see how this go. Alright. Right now, all they got left is preschool. No more means. It is what it is. I'm gonna come out here with something though. Best believe. Told y'all I wasn't leaving out here without nothing. Hey, I told y'all I was leaving with something. So I grabbed, ooh, it like killing it. It's killing it. I can't even get a good, there you go. I was leaving with something. So I got one of these mids, two of these mids. I get y'all a review later on because this light is destroying this. But y'all already know. It's your boy Samaj, aka Squirt the Q with Snatching Souls. Struck out on these threes. Well, I got a toddler pair too. But struck out on these threes. But man, we'll get to y'all next video. So I'll holler at y'all, man. Peace. Y'all thought it was over. He ain't over. Your boy finna go bowling. I ain't been bowling in so long. Shout out to Tweez and Money Bound. Hey man, it's game time. So as y'all see, it's about to go down. So I'm trying to get y'all some footage. We shall see how this goes. All right.